Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer crypto from MetaMask to Kraken. So first of all, we need to generate an address from Kraken in order to transfer crypto. So open up your Kraken wallet, hit triple folio at the bottom left. Inside, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select my crypto. In my case, let's say I want to choose Ethereum. Inside, you're going to find under overview, balance, deposit, withdraw. Just hit deposit. Select your network, okay, Ethereum, and just copy the generated address. Go back to your screen and go ahead to MetaMask, right? So now we have the address covered, right? What I'm gonna do, we're gonna just hit send, right? Allow notifications, right? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna just hit or search for Ethereum and select Ethereum as the token to send, right? And they're gonna ask you, of course, what network, and select the identical network to send. So as you can see right here, you have Ethereum token, right? What you gotta do, just hit send into the amount, right? And under the Ethereum amount, instead of insufficient funds, you're gonna just continue if you funded your Ethereum, select your network, and basically follow the prompted steps. Just paste the generated address and continue, right? To verify that this is you, essentially, who made that transaction, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.